Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can set voice memos to clear deleted files immediately or after 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, or never. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, we go down and tap on Voice Memos. Next, go down to the Voice Memos settings and tap on Clear Deleted. And in here you can select immediately, after 1 day, after 7 days. By default, it is set to after 30 days. So after 30 days, once you have deleted the files, it will be totally and permanently clear from your device. Or you can choose never. And then after that, you can tap on the back key to go back to settings or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.